Hello traders, you are welcome to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make use of the BPNN Predictor Indicator. All right, check the description below and you're going to see the link to get the indicator. After downloading the indicator, go to your indicators folder for your MT4 platform. After you've pasted the indicator file within the indicators folder, then you can head back to your MT4 terminal, go to the navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, after refreshing, you should see the BPNN Predictor Indicator. Just drag and drop on your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for your input, you can see the customizable settings here. The last bar, the foot bars, smooth bar, norm layers, norm inputs, norm neurons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the NTR, NEP, max MSE, PWR, and the EFT, right? So all those values we have, the custom, they can be changed depending on how you want the sensitivity, sorry, depending on how you want the sensitivity of the indicator to be. Okay, so now the BPNN Predictor Indicator utilizes a neural network with 3 layers to predict the future behavior of prices. Now let's just see how this indicator works. As you can see that the indicator predicts future price movement. Okay, that is the function, right? Now there is no guarantee that price will move exactly as the indicator predicts, but the indicator shows the potential future movement of price. So in that case, once you see the prediction, if it is to the upside, then you want to look out for buy opportunities, but ensure you get confirmations. Okay, once you get your buy confirmations, then of course you can proceed with executing a buy trade. But in the case whereby the indicator predicts a sell, right, if it predicts a sell movement, then of course you want to look out for bearish opportunities. Okay, once you get a confirmation, then you can proceed to execute the trade. Your stop loss ideally for sell should be above the previous swing high. Take profit can be around support zones. For your buy trade, your stop loss can be below the previous swing low, and take profit can be around resistance zones. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.